Is it time to buy or sell Ford stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Ford. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since July 25th, 2024, our system has identified Ford as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 4.16. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 3.05%. This results in an average daily loss of 0.61% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 6.34% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 6.34% to 44.27%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 7.73% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 4.05% and 45.24%. This corresponds to a price range from 11.26 to 15.71 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Ford includes the headline, Ford stock price down 0.185% on Wednesday. The Ford stock price decreased by 0.85% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024. Falling from $10.84 to $10.82. It has now declined for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.71%, with a day low of $10.72 and a day high of $11.01. The price has dropped in 7 of the last 10 days, showing a decrease of 25.28% during this period. Trading volume also decreased on the last day, which accompanied the stock's decline, a positive indicator as volume typically follows the stock's movement. On that day, trading volume fell by 3 million shares, with a total of 66 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $715.32 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $14.85. While the lowest was $9.63. Currently, the price is 27.14%, or $4.03, below the 52-week high, and 58.18%, or $15.05, below the all-time high reached on the 13th of January, 2022, when the price peaked at $25.87. Ford Motor Company is currently facing scrutiny as several law firms have initiated investigations into potential violations of federal securities laws following the company's disappointing second quarter earnings. Released on the 25th of July, these results fell significantly short of analyst expectations, raising concerns among investors. The investigations, led by firms such as Levi and Korsinski and Bronstein, Gewertz and Grossman, are focused on whether the company misled investors or failed to disclose important financial information. Consequently, the stock has already experienced a decline, losing nearly 14% of its value in July alone. In the short term, such investigations often create significant volatility in stock prices as investor sentiment turns cautious. There may be a rush to sell shares to mitigate losses, which further drives down the price. In the long term, if these investigations uncover wrongdoing or misconduct, Ford could face legal and financial repercussions that may damage its reputation and operational efficacy, leading to prolonged investor skepticism. Conversely, on a more positive note, Ford has unveiled its redesigned Maverick pickup, featuring new technologies and hybrid options, reflecting the company's shift towards innovation in a competitive market. This could potentially catalyze a recovery, depending on the execution of its strategic initiatives. Ultimately, the combination of ongoing investigations and the challenges in its electric vehicle segment highlights substantial risk factors that could impact Ford's stock trajectory in the coming months. Investors should remain vigilant as these developments unfold. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned F an overweight grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 22nd of July, 2024, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned F a sector perform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 16th of July, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned F an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 7th of June, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein assigned F an outperform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 22nd of May, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein assigned F an outperform grade with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Ford stock. They have assessed the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have issued a sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Ford. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. Ford's stock shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During any upward corrections, resistance will be encountered at levels of $11.79 and $12.65. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 18, 2024, and so far the stock has declined by 25.64%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. The volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which diminishes overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence. Sell signal. Pivots. Sell signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger. Buy signal from 13 days ago. Short-term moving average. Sell signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average. Sell signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal from 15 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop-loss for Ford. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the upcoming days. This stock has the potential for substantial intraday movement, and due to the wide prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 290 cents between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 2.71%. In the last week, the stock showed an average daily volatility of 3.91%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Ford, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 24th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 50 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ford. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ford is at $11.16. If you don't hold any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. There's no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and contemplate placing trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Ford from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's review some recent insider trades. On the 11th of July, 2024, Adriana Cisneros made an insider purchase of 0 shares with no derivative securities owned. On the same day, Adriana Cisneros also made an insider purchase of 0 shares with no securities owned. On the 10th of June, 2024, Alexandra Ford made an insider purchase of 4,386 shares of Class B stock with a par value of $0.01. On that same day, Alexandra Ford also purchased 14,620 shares of Class B stock with a par value of $0.01. On the 10th of June, 2024, Alexandra Ford conducted an insider sale of 5,848 shares of Class B stock with a par value of $0.01. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 29.567. In total, insiders purchased 6,791,149 shares and sold 3,592,940 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Ford stock a good buy? Currently, Ford stock presents several negative indicators. Despite some positive trends, we anticipate that Ford will likely perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 1st of August, we expect Ford to open up 3 cents and begin trading at $10.85. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.